Hi friends, hope you have heard the summary of the play Dance Like a Man, and today we are here to analyze the characters in the play. Hope it's going to be useful to you. Amritlal Parekh, the father of Jairaj, the protagonist in the play, is the patriarch here. He is autocratic and the factor of power in the play. He represents the older generation which believes in strict gender roles and is against his son Jairaj's wishes of becoming a dancer. He yields to the whims of Jairaj as a child, converting a part of the house as the practice hall for dance, and also when he grows up to be a young man and wants to marry Ratna out of the community, who is a South Indian dancer, he approves the match. Amritlal also wants Jairaj to keep in line with his public image and become a worthy man. For Amritlal, dance is the craft of a prostitute to show off her wares. When Jairaj and Ratna are helpless and when they come back to his house, he accepts them with two conditions. One, he restricts Jairaj from growing his hair to enhance his abhinaya, and Ratna from visiting the temple to learn the nuances of Bharatanatyam from Chenniyamma, the 75-year-old Devadasi, who is eager to pass on her knowledge to Ratna, a deserving dancer according to her. Amritlal Parekh, who was a part of the freedom struggle and who is referred to as the Sethji of the city, and the one who had received a zari shawl in recognition of his social work from the Maharaja of Mysore during Dasara, who also sends a doctor to treat the ailing Chenniyamma and sends her money as well, thinks it is below his dignity and family prestige that if Ratna learns dance from Chenniyamma and dances in the temple courtyard. In his desperate attempt to wean Jairaj away from dance, he makes a secret pact with Ratna to discourage Jairaj from dance, and this tragically only makes Jairaj end up a drunkard. Under the pressure of patriarchy, the ambition of Jairaj to accomplish as an artist gets buried. As Amritlal says, a woman in a man's role is considered progressive, but a man in a woman's role is pathetic. Getting into political life, doing social work, and making money are the activities for a man according to him. As we see Jairaj, a young man with a passion for dance, he marries Lata, a dancer herself, to make a name and attain fame in dance. Owing to his father's pressure, he gives up dancing, but never does he become a man in the way Amritlal Parekh sees him. He ignores his own life, his infant son Shankar, and he is jealous of his wife Ratna's popularity. He does not seem to realize the practical responsibility of life as is expected by his wife, by his father, and also the society. And Amritlal Parekh often reprimands Jairaj, asking him to grow up and stand on his feet. When his son dies of an overdose of opium, Jairaj is at home drinking while Ratna is out for her performance. But he blames Ratna for the child's death, and Ratna retorts that it was his responsibility too to supervise the ayah at home. He is critical of Ratna's excessive anxiety and preparations done for their daughter Lata's high-profile dance performance. His relationship with Ratna suffers and the couple is distanced. Ratna is a shrewd woman, an aspiring dancer, who marries Jairaj as he would support her aspiration. With Amritlal Parekh putting them under pressure, she acts according to his wishes, thereby sidelining Jairaj. She can be manipulative, clever, and do everything to get her daughter establish herself as a dancer. She books critics, gets good reviews for Lata's performance, and she sweet talks people in power to get Lata her opportunity. She comes across as a free-spirited woman, but confined by her role and her situation. Lata comes across as a young and aspiring dancer, following the footsteps of her parents and very proud of her rich cultural lineage. She falls in love with Vishwas, the son of a rich sweetmeat shop owner who is ignorant of her art but loves her as a person. And this pair brings to the fore the differences in terms of beliefs, practices, and culture of the northern and southern parts of India in the play. Lata, of course, is a well-protected young dancer whose path to success is well laid out by her parents and more so by her mother. One prominent criteria of analysis in the play is the relationship of Jairaj and Ratna. The two fall in love with each other and support each other initially. As they face the conflict with Amritlal, their own practical necessities of life, the loss of their child Shankar, and Jairaj's habit of drinking set them apart. The turn of events distance them and they forget the art of dancing together either on stage or in life. As the playwright concludes, both of them could be themselves only after death, and they danced together in unison only in the other world. The conflicts presented at different levels make it a complex play. The portrayal of Jairaj's conflict with his patriarchal father, with his ambitious wife Ratna, and with himself as a father who loses his son Shankar to opium, and the way he is pitched against the society and its stereotypical expectations from him as a man make Dance Like a Man a poignant play. To discuss the play from yet another angle, I do see gender and psyche inbuilt in the play. Amritlal Parekh, Jairaj, and Vishwas represent three generations of men and their views about dance, life, and society. Patriarchy seems to be inbuilt in the psyche of the male characters. If Amritlal Parekh considers dance as a female domain and it can never be the profession of a man, Jairaj, as a dancer himself, retaliates against his father. Apparently, Jairaj breaks the shackles of traditional thinking and gender roles. But when it comes to the death of his child, Shankar, he blames Ratna, least realizing that as a father, he had his duty towards his child too. It's again the perception of the male-dominated society that the mother is the caretaker of the child under any circumstance. Vishwas, the modern young man, also shows the inbuilt psyche of a man who does not like his lover to perform the erotic number, as he calls it, before the audience when Lata enacts the pining of Radha for Krishna with her heaving bosom. So, Dance Like a Man comes across as a play with gender at the core for its analysis. Male perception of the society contradicts the natural realities, leading to conflicts and complexity in the play. Thank you.